So we're also following developments in the 2017 accused Seminole Heights serial killer case. Today, attorneys for Howell Donaldson III asked a judge to throw out the death penalty for several reasons. The judge denied all of them. 10 Tampa Bay's Eric Glasser was in court today, and Eric, that wasn't the only reason for Donaldson's lawyers.
Yeah, Carolina, several motions, in fact, in court today here in Hillsborough County. But as you said, the most significant motions were the ones from the defense team for Donaldson asking that the death penalty be taken off the table. Donaldson himself, not appearing remotely, he was actually in court today, as were his parents. The 29-year-old is accused of killing Benjamin Mitchell, Monica Hoffa, Anthony Naiboa, and Ronald Felton in October and November of 2017. Defense lawyers asked that the impact testimony from relatives and others be limited in any penalty phase and written down ahead of time so that there wouldn't be any surprises. That motion was actually granted for the most part. But the big issue in court today was the defense's argument that Donaldson was denied due process because prosecutors didn't tell the grand jury that indicted him about information that would have made these death penalty cases.
We are asking the court to preclude capital punishment because the indictment did not, and the grand jury did not, have a chance to review the aggravating factors in this case.
The judge denied that motion and a handful of related motions, so the death penalty in this case is still on the table. The judge did agree to give both sides one more chance to depose Anthony Naiboa's father and his stepmother, who have so far not been willing to do that. That is now set for April 22nd. Legal experts explained what was going on here. They said the odds were really against many of these motions being granted today in the first place, but it's really a legal strategy that the defense has to use here to lay the groundwork in the event of an appeal.